And that is why you see Chelsea winning all the major European trophies. Apart from Liverpool in England, no team has European trophies more than Chelsea. We are using it as Chelsea fan bragging over Arsenal. Yes, we are using it as bragging right over Arsenal. We are the proud of London as a Chelsea fan. We are the proud of we are this and this. We have Champions League. Arsenal doesn't have Champions. We are bragging because the old owner was doing the right thing. That is why as a Chelsea fan, you are using it and be bragging and be bragging. Is Chelsea the only team in England? No. Chelsea is not the only team in London. But we are the winners. We are winning trophies because that old owner was doing things right. He was spending. He was bringing elite players. And these our current owners, let's say they started 2003 or they bought Chelsea 2003. Do you think Chelsea will have those kind of trophies we are talking about now? No. As I said, God is not Chelsea fan. We were winning that big trophies, yes, major trophy because we were doing the right thing. We were bringing elite coaches, elite players. But look at the players they are bringing us. This squad can we win a Champions League? It's a big question. But the Chelsea that we used to know, this wasn't a question. It was just a matter of time. Chelsea can compete. Chelsea can win the Premier League. Chelsea can win the Champions League. But this our current squad, looking at it, can you boldly say that next season can we win the Champions League as a Chelsea fan? In fact, guys, players who are going to play or participate in the club tournament at United States, names has been revealed. By the way, our goalkeeper, Dijo Petrovic, name is not part of those lists. But guys, when the season was going, Petrovic at League One Strasbourg, he won their player of the season. Yes, when he was doing well there, he played well there. Information came from Chelsea camp during the course of the season that next season or this summer, Petrovic will join Chelsea and be with Enzo Maresca. And Chelsea will use the club tournament, yes, to weigh up or for them to prove themselves. Petrovic, Jorgensen, Robert Sanchez, and Mark Pendes. And there, Chelsea will choose who will be the first goalkeeper. That Chelsea will use the club tournament, yes, for these goalkeepers to use it and prove themselves to the world and to Chelsea fans who will be the first goalkeeper. Yes. And when this season ends, the transfer window opened, 1st June, yes, to 10th June, information came that Chelsea is ready to listen to offer for Dijo Petrovic and Robert Sanchez. In other words, Chelsea is ready to sell these two goalkeepers. And recently, the list came out, Petrovic name is not there. Yes, part of those players who are going to play at the Club World Cup at the United States. Petrovic name is not there. But Sanchez name is there. Jorgensen name is there. Pendes names is there. All our goalkeepers names are there except Petrovic. And as we are speaking now, another information came that Petrovic was asking for first starter in Chelsea goal post. He wanted to be the #1 goalkeeper in Chelsea. For him looking at his performance last season at Strasbourg, upon his performance last season at Strasbourg, he is asking to be a starter and #1 goalkeeper. And Chelsea said they can guarantee him that spot. So for that matter, another information came that now Chelsea is ready to sell him and that Petrovic is looking to find a new club. So that is why he is not being included in the Club World Cup list. Guys, that is the information. Yes, so far, since he was at Strasbourg this season up to now, that is the information I listed down for you. The PR around Petrovic. The PR around Petrovic. Guys, see, you see this our current Chelsea. The way our owners and the PR, they are running this football club, it's not fair. It's not fair. It's like these owners, they came to kill that legacy. They came to kill that winning Chelsea, that big Chelsea, the legacy. They came to kill it. Because one thing I observe about these owners, guys, see, any day that you see a quality player in this Chelsea team, they are not pushing him to improve more. Or any day that you see, okay, this player, he is now becoming like the Chelsea that we used to know player. This player, he can now compete. He can play for Chelsea or he can send Chelsea to the highest level, be it in our current squad or outside a player who is coming to Chelsea to send Chelsea to the elite level. these owners are not welcoming that player, trying to include that player into this current Chelsea squad. They are making it difficult for any player who is ready to improve this our Chelsea team. Look at all the signings that we miss. Yes, the big signings, the elite signings that we miss. Those players, they were players who will come and send Chelsea to the highest level. But they said no. Our owner said that we can't sign you. The same as our current squad. Any player who is now performing well, you will now be hearing rumors about that player transfer. Very soon, Enzo Fernandez to Real Madrid is loading. I'm telling you, it's a script. Cole Palmer to Madrid is loading. I'm telling you, it's a script. But you see those players who are not performing, they don't care about them. They don't care about them. For them, they can play for Chelsea. Look at Petrovic. Last season, what he did at Strasbourg, even his first season in Chelsea at Mauricio Pochettino, he wasn't bad. But our owners, yes, they are not putting him in their plans. No. As the list came, he's not been there. The club World Cup. So that means if a reasonable offer comes, they will sell Petrovic. They will sell him. See, Petrovic leaving Chelsea, don't be surprised as a Chelsea fan. It can happen, and it is going to happen if any good fee can. Because see, as information came that they want to sell Petrovic and Robert Sanchez. For me, I knew already that they wanted to sell Petrovic. Because there's no way a team will come to sign a goalkeeper in Chelsea, and there is Petrovic and Sanchez, and that team will choose Sanchez and leave Petrovic, on-form Petrovic. It can't happen. So see, this is our goalkeeping position. Even them refusing to sign Magnum or the deal was off. For me, I can still believe that they were pretending. It looked like Osimhen did last season. They pretend as if they were to sign Osimhen. The PR was around Osimhen. Chelsea to sign Osimhen. What at the end of the day, they want to sign McGill. They want to sign Kellerman. Yes. And during the course of the season when Jackson was injured, nobody to take over. Yes, Nkunku off form. Nkunku is no more, let's say, he's not giving us the Nkunku we used to know. So you see this even Magnum deal. For me, I still believe that it's a PR. It's a plan work. Chelsea don't want to sign Magnum. Because see, that money, we pay exorbitant money for one player who came and then things didn't even work. How much Chelsea pay for Kellerman? 20 million, 19 million to 20 million. And if Chelsea gave AC Milan that 19 million or 20 million, by now Magnum will be Chelsea player. So this signing Magnum, it was a PR. For me, that is my belief. It was a PR. Chelsea, it wasn't in Chelsea plan to sign him. So Petrovic, see, Chelsea will sell him. Chelsea will sell him. And selling this kind of players, that means we can't go far. That means we will continue to be struggling at the end of the season to get top 4. Going to play competition like Conference League, that is not our level. When you look at Chelsea as a legacy, playing in Conference League is not our level. But in reality, when you look at our squad, this squad, that is their level. See, that is the difference. Oh. The difference of Chelsea as an entity, or there is a different Chelsea as an entity, and a different Torboli Chelsea and the play they sang. But the Ashili, Disasi, we have Liverpool playing in Conference League. That is for their level. But Chelsea as a team, where we came from, over some past 4 years to 5 years, we won the Champions League. That Chelsea play in Conference League is not our level. But the current Chelsea struggle to get top 4 is our level. Play in Conference League is our level. And if this owner doesn't go and bring that experienced players who are good and can send Chelsea to the highest level, nothing will change. It will continue like that. So Petrovic, them selling Petrovic and remaining Robert Sanchez, because that is it. Okay, then who is going to start? Because there's no way Maresca will start Jorgensen over Robert Sanchez. It can't happen. We all knew that. We saw it last season or this season. We saw it. So even them selling Petro, it means that Sanchez will continue to be on the goalpost. If Sanchez were to be doing things right, no mistakes, no errors, why should Chelsea go and sign a goalkeeper? The issue is that we don't have a proper goalkeeper. That is why we want a goalkeeper. Sanchez is not reliable. We saw him. Every Chelsea fan knew who is Sanchez. So Sanchez is a goalkeeper, but the issue is that he is committing those errors. And as a big team like Chelsea, if you want to compete at the highest level, you need a reliable goalkeeper. You don't need to have that Sanchez caliber of goalkeeper. That is why we are calling for a goalkeeper. And there's no way Jorgensen will be ahead of Sanchez. Maybe unless a new coach come or different coach come and decide to pick Jorgensen over Sanchez. But for this, our Enzo Maresca, our current Chelsea team, Robert Sanchez is going to be our goalkeeper. And we all knew who is Sanchez. See, This Club World Cup or this club tournament we are going for, let's hope we go there and perform. But when we come to reality, compare to other teams who are going to play, Chelsea, we are joking. We are joking. Look at our preparation towards the Club World Cup. Zero preparation. One signing. Look at City. Look at City. All the players that they signed. So far, 4 or 5 players they signed. All the players were playing at the highest level at their various teams. Unformed players. And they made sure that they registered them before the Club World Cup. Well, look at all the players that City signed this summer within from 1st June to 10th June. They registered them. All the players are being part of the Club World Cup. So do you think God is a Chelsea fan? Or do you think God is any team fan? God will help those who are ready. God is going to help those who prepare. No. Karma doesn't work that way. No. You reap what you sow. You can't just go with unprepared squad, a clueless squad, and you want to compete or win the club. It can't happen. So for me, when I'm looking at this Club World Cup, our squad going there, we are joking. We are not serious. We are not serious at all. And this is all came down to our owners and the sporting directors. And some Chelsea fans who are supporting these owners. See, for me, as a Chelsea fan, when I started supporting Chelsea, I was concerned about Chelsea signing elite players to come and play for Chelsea. See, at the beginning, I knew players, they take wages, they take... My thought was not into in-depth knowledge of player wages because Chelsea could not sign this player, because of this player wages. How many Chelsea fans knew all those things during Abramovich time? Until these owners came and made it open, disclose everything. That, okay, this player, he want higher wages, that is why Chelsea cannot sign him. This player doesn't want higher wages, that is why Chelsea sign him. Big teams like Abramovich Chelsea team, we didn't know all those things. For Abramovich Chelsea team, if even Manchester United having their good striker or elite striker, we wanted to sign their striker, take him away from Manchester United. We want to talk of a small team having a quality striker. Anytime that under Abramovich Chelsea, anytime that Chelsea hear that this striker is good, even 100 million, 70 million, 80 million, we'll go and pay him higher wages. That is how Chelsea operate, and that is why you see Chelsea winning all the major European trophies. Apart from Liverpool in England, no team has European trophies more than Chelsea. We are using it as Chelsea fan bragging over Arsenal. Yes, we are using it as bragging right over Arsenal. We are the proud of London as a Chelsea fan. We are the proud of we are this and this. Have Champions League. Arsenal doesn't have Champions. We are bragging because the old owner was doing the right thing. That is why as a Chelsea fan, you are using it and be bragging. Is Chelsea the only team in England? No. Chelsea is not the only team in London. But we are the winners. We are winning trophies because that old owner was doing things right. He was spending. He was bringing elite players. And these our current owners, let's say they started 2003 or they bought Chelsea 2003. Do you think Chelsea will have those kind of trophies we are talking about now? No. As I said, God is not Chelsea fan. We were winning that big trophies, yes, major trophy, because we were doing the right thing. We were bringing elite coaches, elite players. But look at the players they are bringing us. This squad, can we win the Champions League? It's a big question. But the Chelsea that we used to know, this wasn't a question. It was just a matter of time. Chelsea can compete. Chelsea can win the Premier League. Chelsea can win the Champions League. But this our current squad, looking at it, can you boldly say that next season can we win the Champions League as a Chelsea fan? No way. You can't say it that way. Yes, I'm hoping for Chelsea to go and win the Champions League next season. But I can 100% say that Chelsea can win the Champions League. But under Abramovich having those elite coaches, yes, it was a guarantee. Out of 100%, you could say that 85 or even 90% Chelsea can win the Champions League. So see, these our owners, they turn our club into a small club. I love Chelsea. And no matter how they will turn Chelsea to me, I will still be supporting Chelsea. But I will not accept mediocre. No. If things are not going well, I will not support it. No. I will continue supporting Chelsea because I am a Chelsea fan. I started supporting Chelsea before these owners bought Chelsea. So for me, as a Chelsea fan, I knew my Chelsea. I don't know Todd Bowley. I don't know Eric Bailly. I knew my Chelsea. One day, maybe they can decide and sell Chelsea and go. I don't know them. They can go and leave my Chelsea for me. But if they are doing things wrong, I will not support them. Because I know it will not be a healthy for my Chelsea. Bringing in these young players, we don't stand there. Look at the top 4 we made this season. We have to suffer. Last day in the Premier League. Do you know Chelsea to be that club? Conference League. Do you know Chelsea to be Conference League team? Yes, we celebrated. It's a trophy. But to be honest, that is not our level. And looking at us, already said, looking at this our current squad, that is our level. So see, Petrovic selling and what, and next season I already said it in my previous video, if we started considering goals, losing football games, for me I will not go hard on Enzo Maresca. You can't go and bring Osimhen. You can't refuse to go and bring players like Osimhen, Victor Gyökeres are there, those elite players, and you want to compete at the highest level, those who spend cash. Look at City, look at Real Madrid. They are fixing their problem, their defense. The player who were target at the end of the day, Real Madrid signed Hodgson. Yes, go and see Liverpool. They are doing their sign. They sign Frimpong, they sign Wiss, and Chelsea we are signing Gittins. Who didn't even do any signing? Eketeke. We didn't even do any apart from Liam Delap, they just triggered. So guys, now Chelsea is about to start to sell Petrovic, Didier Petrovic. He's not been included, yes, on the squad list for the Club World Cup. And let's see, we are wishing our Chelsea all the best. We'll go there and play, participate. And next season, for me, I want Chelsea to compete for the Premier League title. I want Chelsea to compete for the Champions League. Next season, Chelsea booted out in the Champions League group stage. Todd Bowley, Eric Bailly, what, they must sell the club and go. That means they can't manage a big team. They have a small team budget. That World Cup is a small team, not just a team. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Chelsea not including Didier Petrovic on the list. Yes, those players who are going to play the Club World Cup. And I'll give you another video, yes, please, about Victor Osimhen. Obi Mika said something about Victor Osimhen. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. Take care, peace.